So I was at Dave & Buster's today, and I found this mystery fidget box, and I was curious, so I'm gonna open it on camera and see what I can get. It says discover all 25 toys, which concerns me a bit, because each box was 4,500 tickets at Dave & Buster's. Oh, there's a bunch of toys in here. There's Little Slinky, that just now came apart. There's Squishy Dog. Ooh, a Pop-It keychain. Ooh, this one seems cool. Aha! It's like one of those bendy things. I don't know what this one is. It's weird, like this baseball toy. Oh! I see. Okay, this is weird. Let's see. Ooh! Soccer fidget spinner. Love it. Oh my gosh, wait, hang on. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, I think I just broke it. Ooh, wheelie koala? Ooh, this is a squishy bear. Green noodle. Ooh. I have no idea what this is. It came in a package. I might look at that later. Little maze. Suction tube thing. Ooh, this one's fun. It's a little snake. More squishy stuff. Ooh, a stress ball. I love these and hate these at the same time. Orby stress ball, hate them. Very loud. Ooh, Pop-It. Squishy thing. Chinese finger trap. Oh, a little hand socket dinosaur thing. Who put Tangela in here? So I took the cat out of the package and it just came with some string, and honestly, I don't know how to use this. So most of these fidget toys were a miss, but I will say some of my favorites are Tube Man, Le Snack, and the Soccer Fidget Spinner. Let me know what you guys think of these fidget toys either down below, on the side, wherever your comment section happens to be.